princesses, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be reviewing some LOL dolls. So let's get started.
We're gonna be looking for LOL dolls. So
God, look at these squishies. They look so cool.
look at all these different ones. There's a mint. Oh, look at this pink one, Dora.
Look at these.
Oh, that's so cute.
What is that down there?
A bath bomb!
Oh my gosh!
What the heck? Someone opened all of these.
Someone opened all these in the store. Well, not all of them, but like, look it.
There's so many open.
There's a lot open. I think that they should do better packaging because then all look at these toys have like Ziplocs.
That's why toys go up because people open it and take them out.
And then these are just like a little plastic wrap, so that's not good packaging. But those do look really cute, huh, Princess?
Yeah. There's rainbow, cloud slime, and
Look at this. Is like green slime, glow in the dark, and this is like a flown one. Look at those slimes down there.
What is that, Dora?
some looks like peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter. Ooh, and what does that one look like? Oh, it opened.
Oh, it opened?
What the heck?
What have I gotten, Dora?
Poke it, Dora.
Okay. I'm just kidding. How does it feel? I never heard it. Oh, that slime's really nice. Okay, put the lid back on. We might buy that because those
I'm
are
not
really
buying that
nice.
because it's open, but that sucks for the store because somebody opened it.
And
I
this
know.
one.
And there's only those ones.
And I already bought some, but remember?
We have some though to review, so that's really good already. Dora, look what else is over here. Dora, look at that.
This is some diamond slime.
What color is it?
Green.
Oh my gosh, and look at all the colors to collect. What are those colors? There's blue,
Blue,
green.
green, purple, blue, green, pink.
Oh my gosh. And look at this. What is this too? It's like some slime containers and a mixing spoon. I've never seen that.
This is
I
probably
think it
from the
goes to
Nickelodeon kit.
I might go to one of these kits, but yeah.
Where are these? I want these.
Oh, my mom wants to get those now. Look at this morph, Adora.
Look at these little Minnie Mouse ears.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And
there's
look at this princess tent down here.
And there's some other ones over here.
Ooh, those ones are big. Look at this big giant pick-me pom Fancy found. It's so
Pick Me
big.
Pops.
Oh, pick-me pop.
So big.
What else is there, Fancy?
Squishies. And this one's a hot ace.
Oh my gosh, they're really like packed up and full on the squishies today. Look at all this.
Wow.
What is that, Dora? And look at these huge metallic ones. They're all cute. There's this big eyeball. That's creepy.
What?
Ooh. And look at this. That looks yummy. It's a taco.
Aww.
Seriously? Oh, cool.
This is a new unicorn squishy. I saw this on YouTube.
And they're so cute. And they're My Little Pony, Maria's favorite. What else is there over here? Look at these Num Num snackables. And peel to reveal soft and slow-mo squishies. That's so cool.
And I found some Mylife stuff.
Look at this new laundry room play set. Look at there's a picnic table and a whole bunch of new dolls here. There's a new boy doll.
This dress is
Oh
cute.
my gosh.
Look at all the new clothes, Dora. Go look at them. And what are these? There's no charm bracelets out. And this is the JoJo Siwa doll. That's cute. There's a new aquarium set. This one's one of the cutest. And look, it's a little aquarium. It has a background. And there's everything to decorate your aquarium in there. And there's a new little doll. It's a little bakery girl.
And I found some shopping.
Oh, cute. It's the Wildlife Shopkins. Oh, what is this little tiny bear?
Look at this little grill.
Oh my gosh, there's a new
beach vacation doll, and she looks like a mermaid. She is so cute. But now we're in the Mylife stuff, and we're gonna look at all the clothes and new sets because I see a lot of new ones.
To our gym. We have a gym.
Yes, at our gym we bring our dolls to play with. But let's look at him. There's this new beach vacationer doll, and this is a new boy doll that I haven't seen a new boy one in a while. There's the gardeners here, and they're so cute. And look at this baker. She's not new, but I haven't seen her in a while, and her hair is so cute. There's a doll bed here. The new laundry room play set. A picnic table. It comes with watermelon and little lights and everything. That's cute.
And oh my gosh, there's a new girl.
And that's a mini baker doll, so that's cute. A farmer's market play set. Oh, it comes with money, jam and honey. That's cute. It has even a little tiny waiter. A garden play set. That'll be cute while me and my mom garden. Adora could like have her dolls there with Maria.
Yes.
That'll be something cute. A little fountain, and it really works.
Oh my.
That's really cool. And look at the top, his little pineapple. There's
That's
a
so
ballerina doll here.
ballerina. It's so cute. And
look at these new little bracelets and necklaces. What are they, Dora?
Jojo Bobo one.
I know, they're so cute. There's little bow, rainbow balls, and then there's also little cupcakes. Those are cute. There's a dance studio. Ooh, that one's cute. And it comes with these curtains. Third position. Oh, a microphone and everything. That's real cute. Then there's another flower stand. Oh, I haven't seen this one actually. Comes with a cash register, happy birthday signs, and everything. And there's two different horses. This one has is light brown, and this one's like a dark brown with some dark brown hair.
Brown.
And over here, look at all these accessories. This is like headphones with like a crown attached to it. A pink tiara headphones, it says. There's some gold glitter flats. Right here, this is a sequin clutch. And look how cute it is. It's like red and silver. There's this little fringe purse. That's really cute. That'll match with like some sort of dress. And lastly, in the accessory, there's a small handbag. And this is really cute. Gold and blue. Go so good together, especially with that little bow. Up here at the top, there's more stuff. Look at this cool aquarium set. I haven't seen this one yet. It comes with everything to decorate your aquarium. There's a grill here. Iron play set. Those sets are all really cute. And then this is the cast and crutches new set. It has different colors here. And up here, look at all of these dresses. This one is like a purple dress with flowers. This one's really cute for like to put on your doll in the summertime if you take her somewhere. There's this like Valentine's dress, really cute. And there's like a school dress back there. This one's cute too. All these just, oh, look at that one. It's like blue with lace. And this one would be cute. What would that be cute for? Comment down below what you think this dress would be cute for. Just to wear on an average day. There's some flowers here. This one, oh, look at this cute hearts. Now let's go see what else we got in the Barbie section.
Dolls.
Who is that?
Harley Quinn. Batgirl. Wonder Woman. Supergirl.
That's okay. There's Batwoman, Harley Quinn, Wonder Woman, Supergirl. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And they got new DC Supergirl girls here.
These are so cute. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dolls in here.
And they're so cute. Look at there's fairies. This one looks like Elsa. There's a little tiny belly dancer there. Oh, look at this one. Looks like Wonder Woman.
Oh my gosh.
Slime lab.
This one looks like Wonder Woman.
Yeah, those are so cute.
Look at that Barbie slime lab.
And look at this Barbie slime lab.
Oh, look, your Barbie can make slime in there. Get new recipes for my YouTube channel and everything.
Yes.
Those are so cute.
She said there's some hiding. I don't know. I don't think they have any. They have a ton of these though. And we never got these.
Yes.
But they have some boy ones.
Boy ones and
And-
girl ones.
Or boy and girl ones, yeah.
Yes. So let's move on to some other.
What are those? Jiggly dogs?
Jiggly dog.
Oh no, jiggly doos.
Jiggly
Jiggly
doos.
doos.
Jiggly doos.
Alright, so should we stop the video? Say,
Yeah.
Dora.